My name is Linda Conroy, and I am the founder of the Midwest Women's Herbal. The In Our Own Hands Women's Wellness Series will be held on Zoom, so anyone can attend from anywhere from January through April for a deep dive into women's wellness, into herbalism, into women's care and sexuality, gardening, botany, communication. We're going to cover a whole breadth of topics. We really hope women will join us and will gather with us and share. We just look forward to seeing everyone during the cold winter months, a time when we want to be together more than ever.